Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find and manage sound settings on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So, to do so, of course, we're gonna enter the settings. In the settings, you want to go to sound and vibration, and over here we have a bunch of different options. At the top we have several options related to do not disturb mode. Then we also have the volume sliders where we can simply adjust the volume of our device. And then we also have options related to the ringtone and notification sounds. So here you can change the ringtone for your SIM card for eSIM. You can change the notification sound, the alarm sound, and so on and so forth. We also have the vibration section where we can enable and disable vibration and haptics. Over here you have additional adjustments as well. And then we have some general modes like charging sounds and vibration, which can be enabled and disabled. We have Dolby Atmos over here. We have Crystal Talk AI, which reduces background noise for VoIP calls. We have media options over here, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.